Welcome to African Folktale with Iyanu. Don't forget to like, drop your thoughts, and subscribe. Children of the world, listen closely, for this is not just a story, it is a warning. Long, long ago, in a Yoruba village, where tall palm trees dance to the song of the wind, where the laughter of children echoed through the dusty path, and where the moon shone proudly on the rooftops at night. There lived a farmer and his wife. The farmer walked the soil, strong and tireless. His wife traded in the marketplace, her voice rising with the calls of other women, and together they had three sons. Wa 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 lan shegi, wo 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 lan shefo, and the youngest, little Akim Boja. They were a happy family, but happiness does not last forever. One day, while the farmer walked on his land, a mighty tree fell upon him. That was the end of his life. His wife wept bitterly, but she gathered her strength and said, "I will raise my boys alone." Listen well. In that land, there was a fearful festival called Oro. When Oro came, the town crier would beat his gong and declare, "Yeah oh, yeah oh." For 3 days, no man, no woman, no stranger must step outside their home. The people obeyed, for they knew the gods were watching. One year, during the Oro, the widow cooked food for her sons and said, "My children, I must go to the neighboring village. Stay indoors, do not step outside." The boys promised. For 2 days, they kept their words. But on the 3rd day, temptation came. Some boys from the village called at their door, "Come out, let's play football." The boys answered, "No, our mother warned us." But the others laughed. "Don't mind these old warnings. We too were told. But see us here. Nothing happened. Come, let's play." At last, the 3 brothers followed them. They played football until their bodies dripped with sweat. They laughed, they shouted, and then one boy said, "Let us go to the river and cool ourselves." But that river belonged to the goddess of Uru. No one must go near it during the sacred days. Yet, they went. They splashed in the cool water. But as soon as Akimboja entered, boo! He sank beneath the waves. "Akimboja, Akimboja," his brothers cried. The river began to swell, and from its depth rose the river goddess, bright and terrible. "Who dares disturb me on my sacred day?" The brothers fell to their knees. "Please, release our brother." But the goddess was angry. With a sweep of her hand, whoosh, the river swallowed Wa 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 lan shegi and Wo 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 lan shefo. The careless boys screamed and ran to the king. Reporting themselves, the king called the Ifa priest. They came with kola nuts, goats, palm oil. They prayed, they chanted, they begged. But the goddess did not listen. The 3 brothers were gone. When their mother returned, she found her house silent, the food she had cooked still waiting. No laughter, no voices. She asked, "Where are my children?" The villagers kept quiet. They whispered, but did not speak. At last, her voice broke into a sorrowful song. Èrò ọjà olówó, jàlólò jàlólò. Èrò ọjà ọlọ́mọ, jàlólò jàlólò. Ta ló bá mi rán ọmọ mi mẹ́ta ọ̀kan wá wá wá? Lámì ṣẹ́gi ọ̀kan wọ̀wọ̀wọ̀, lámì ṣẹ̀fọ́ ọ̀kan akínbọjà kékeré, ọ̀kan akínbọjà kékeré, ọ̀rọ̀ akínbọjà ló dùn mí o, jàlólò jàlólò. Then the truth was told. Her 3 sons were gone. Her heart could not bear it. From a family of 5, she was left alone. In time, sorrow carried her away, leading to her demise. The king was moved. He called the greatest sculptor in the land. "Carve her image," he commanded, with her 3 sons around her. Let their story be remembered forever. And so it was. Listen closely, people of the world, for this story is not only about yesterday. It is about today. He who disobeys the warning of the elders will drink sorrow like water. The end.